New at noon, a court hearing over an Orange County apartment building that was evacuated 4 months ago just wrapped up. The Rialto apartments are now empty after officials feared it could collapse. West 2's Bob Hazen reports some of the former residents are suing the company that owns this building.
Some of the people who lived in this building are out thousands of dollars because they had to rush out of their homes. And today's hearing focused on who should decide how much money they can get back.
Our folks are seeking relief. They need relief now. They need relief immediately.
The lawyer for two people who lived in the Rialto apartments on Sand Lake Road asked a judge in this virtual hearing to keep the case right where it is. Hundreds of people had to evacuate their homes when residents heard popping noises. Their doors got stuck and cracks formed. Inspectors found a wide void had opened under 2 units of the building. It's owned by Northland Rialto, and the company's lawyer told the judge they're still trying to figure out why it happened.
That investigation is not yet complete, and the causation opinions are still undetermined at this time.
Northland wants to take the lawsuit out of the regular civil division and move it to business court that normally handles complex cases involving disputes between companies. Northland's lawyer says he's expecting there will be more companies that will have to share the financial blame for the problem.
There will be downstream third-party claims from defendants to other business entities, and potentially from those downstreams to further downstream business entities.
Those third parties could face liability for issues like construction defects, code compliance, and warranties. The resident's lawyer, though, disagreed, saying those issues are not his client's problems.
They can't live there. The tenants have been kicked out. My case is a Chapter 83 landlord-tenant case. It's a consumer claim at its core.
His team is hoping to make the lawsuit a class action on behalf of all the former residents. The judge said he'll rule on whether the case should move to business court at a later date. Covering Orange County and Orlando, Bob Hazen, West 2 News.